Instead of trying to manage your pain, why not find the source of it?
Yeah, Dr. Devin over at Spinal Care of Nevada, he's helping people suffering through everything from headaches to knee pain and, of course, back aches with a gentle kind of chiropractic care. No cracking, no popping required. Here is Terry's story.
So what we're going to do is we're going to check you on the scales. We're not going to focus on the weight difference. We're just going to look at overall posture, okay? So come on up on the scales.
So I met Dr. Devin on the tennis court. I was telling him I couldn't run anymore. I hadn't been able to run for 2 years. Like, you know, I used to jog and love it. And I had been to every single doctor all over the place. He said, oh, why don't you come in and visit me?
This is stage 2 degeneration. It's what we want to fix. And what we want to do is we want to get that open so things are feeling better.
I had a neck injury before, so I was really afraid of the whole chiropractic thing. I didn't want to be popped or cracked. He said, don't worry about it. I came in, literally one day he does his voodoo, I call it. He barely touches me and I'm like, okay, is that it? And the next day I felt better. And I literally only had to go to him 2 times and I was completely cured.
So NUCCA Chiropractic is a more gentle style of chiropractic. And I'm a fan of all chiropractic, but I just found that because it's very what I would call specific and very gentle, we can treat a wide range of patients, young children, people who've been in bad car accidents, bad falls, maybe have even had surgery before, up to 80, 90-year-old men and women with severe osteoporosis and arthritis. And cross your arms, good twist.
I was scared because you don't want, after an accident like that, you don't want to be cracked or popped. You don't want anybody touching anything. And he was so gentle and really worked on my mobility.
What we're going to do is going to be gently adjusting your spine this way and in the back.
So then, because I'm pretty athletic and all that, and I play a lot of sports, so then I hurt my shoulder and came back to Dr. Devin, and he was, you know, did his little magic on my shoulder, and then he cured that, kept me from surgery.
So I'm certainly not against drugs and surgery, but there's a time and place for everything. And if you think like I do, you want to try to solve things naturally so there's no side effects. And really what we're best at is a long-term solution, not just a Band-Aid.
So during my adjustment, really, it feels like he's cracking his own knuckles. I kind of giggled to myself, like, are you helping me or helping yourself? But it's just this very slight adjustment that you don't feel, and it's extremely gentle. And then when he puts the thumper on you, it's like the greatest thing ever.
So Terry's an amazing person. She's a wife, she's a mom, she's an athlete, she runs her own business. And listen, she doesn't have time to break down.
It's so gentle, don't be afraid. It's a great experience, and he'll improve your lifestyle immediately.
Oh, sure.